Time to press. Not Christmas, but. My hair is as big as my coffee cup. Books for car. Here we go. I feel like this is our rhythm lately, don't you? Get out in the morning for a couple hours and then come back and just basically have a home-centered day the rest of the day. So enjoy this vlog and all the moody rainforest vibes. Let's go hiking. Ready? So what is slow living? My understanding of slow living is quite simply making conscious, intentional choices about the way we live our lives and spend our days. It's about stepping back from modern, fast-paced, high-tech, overstuffed, and overstimulated industrialized life. Instead, deciding for yourself how you'll spend your time, money, and attention. I've noticed just in my lifetime alone that society has ramped up the pace of life. Then I had kids and realized I didn't want to rush through life anymore. I decided to unplug and start listening to my own intuition. It was a choice to become more deeply in tune with my Creator, not to find a new way, but rather to find my way back. I think that the way slow living manifests in our lives will look different on everyone and in every family. I think that sometimes the aesthetic of slow living, while dreamy, makes this lifestyle unattainable and unapproachable. Hi, Pepper. I have kids, a small business idea, a husband with a full-time job, hobbies and house projects that I enjoy. Slow living is less about doing and more about being. You can hustle, use a computer, have a home full of life and energy, all with the mindset of consciously choosing how you'll spend your days. Celery and onion smells so good. So maybe just to get you started, I'll share 3 ways that I apply slow living in my life and help myself find balance in my days. Number 1 is time in nature. I feel like time in nature resets and detoxes my brain and my body and my attention back to a normal pace. Life is not a chore, and I think it's meant to be enjoyed, and time in nature helps me do that. The second way that I apply slow living to my life is by dumbing down my phone to only text, calls, and maps. I'm going to make more videos about this in the future, but for now, I'll say that getting rid of social media and constantly being plugged in, and instead being plugged into my local natural community, the people right around me, and the handful of them that I call and text has been so deeply refreshing. Number 3 is minimizing my personal possessions. Confronting my stuff and the reasons why I personally am impulse to buy things has been one of the most powerful action items towards finding and getting to know myself.
So it's the next day, and last night we were putting the kids to bed. It was probably 7, and I fell asleep a full 12 hours. Anyways, I definitely meant to turn this into loaves last night and put it in the fridge overnight. And obviously I did not do that. It's absolutely huge. Like it's about half. It'll be good. Just extra fermenty, which is fine with me. Here we go.
Living with less stuff also means that I get to spend more time doing things that I like. Things like gardening, baking, and taking 35 minutes to walk from the park to the car because we found a cool bug. And not worrying about the long list of obligations the rest of the world says I should be doing. Savoring time instead of wasting it away in 15-second hits of distraction. Give yourself the space to respond to life with care and consciousness rather than hurry and haste. Perhaps we're moving towards a time when humanity will be fully alive. But if not, just know that you still have a choice to be. Thank you for supporting my work by watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on minimalism and slow living.